Hi, it's Deepa D'Angelova. Hope you're well. I'm doing another video on face massage. This time I'm concentrating on the lips. Now, there's a big trend at the moment. Everyone wants these lovely, big, lush, uber lips. And, you know, that's a nice way to sort of keep the skin looking good and healthy. I'm going to teach you this technique, and it's about doing the lip massage. Yes, you can do a lip massage, and it's great, especially around the top lip, where a lot of people are getting lines from smoking, or, you know, the expressions that we're getting lines around the face, the chin, and even on the sides of the face here. So you want to, this part of the skin, to lift the most muscles. And also, that will give you that young, plump effect on your lips. And again, the cushion on your lips, we're going to start massaging that. So it's very simple. This is how it's done. I'm using Declior, the face oil serum, and we just put a little bit of that on your fingertips and smooth around. Now I use this technique of press and slide, and then circles. So we're going to concentrate on those movements today. Start with the top lip. Now we want to press and slide here all the way down, sort of in the middle of the cheeks there. Do that about 3 times, and you're strengthening this top lip muscle. There's so many muscles here in the face that you have no idea, that you just need to manipulate these muscles, and that will give you this plump look on your lips and your face. So press and slide, and this Cupid's bow here, just that little lift, that will accentuate, that will strengthen that and give you that lovely pout. That's what everyone is looking for, this selfie pout. So you're working on the top lip, and then you're doing the same under. Now these muscles here, just under the lip, once you start to massage that, the lips kind of cushion and overlap. So that's a good thing to do, to give you that real cushion effect, because you're strengthening this here, which will in effect give your lips much more of a pout and a cushion. Okay, so press and slide, press and slide, press and slide. This is very attractive. Not but do this at the end of the night when you're relaxed and calm, so it doesn't matter that you won't be going out, you know. It will be nice and soothing. Now, we want to do the circles with the fingertips. So start from the middle. And work your way. This is so relaxing. I'm actually feeling relaxed just filming this. But circles are done. And then you see these lines here, this muscle, this smile line. You want to strengthen that. So we're going to start to do some circles, lifting up. Okay, and it's almost massaging the jaw to go up, because this is all around the mouth area, as you can see. When you start to massage the outer areas of the lips, that's going to have an effect on giving you these cushioned lips, preventing you from getting all this Botox and surgeries and all of that, what you don't need. If you can prevent it, that's great. So lift, using the circular movements. And you can use a lot of pressure on this, because these muscles are quite strong and resilient, so you can go quite deep here and feel the muscle, grab hold of the muscle in your fingers and just move that up. So it's almost like you're ironing out the face. Okay, so that's a really good movement there to do. Now you get to the outer lip line and you get your pinching fingers, and pinching is amazing because it's strengthening, it's pressing and letting go, pressing and letting go. Start with the top, press and let go, press and let go. And you can see I'm actually on the lip here, touching the lip. Press, let go, press, let go, press and let go. Do that as many times as you can, because that is giving you that cushion, that is putting that oomph back into the lips. Press and let go, press and let go. Okay? Underneath, you can do the same. It's almost like duck lips, what I'm doing. But if you just concentrate with one finger, then it will be easier, because you can work your way around the lips. Do that as much as you can. I'd say do that about 10 times. Upper lip 10 times and lower lip 10 times. So once you've done that, you're going to start tapping. And tapping all around the lip area, the lower lip, the sides here, and actually on the lips. So you're tapping on the lips. And that is bringing a lot more blood to the circulation. All the blood can start to flow and give you that much more of it. So once you've done that, I think that's the most technical part you can do. You can go in with deeper pressure and do pressure points. Press and let go, press and let go, press and let go. And that pressure point movement you can do about 3 times. 3 times on the top lip, 3 times underneath on the bottom lip. And just keep going with that. It's such a nice thing to do. Really relaxing treatment, and you have a great strength in your lips and your skin, and you'll feel really worth it. So to finish off, you're just going to go back to your sliding movements. Like I said, I'm doing this really fast just because of the video, but you can slow it down. It should be this slow. Okay? Circles. Same underneath. This smile, when you force a smile and you hold the muscle there for 1 minute or 2 minutes, you're strengthening that muscle, and that's muscle manipulation. So slide and hold. Try that every day and see how that helps your skin, and just let me know. Give me some comments in the box. Press the like button and just subscribe, get some more information on this, and I'll guide you through all the massage techniques for the face, anti-aging, and how to look after your skin. So to finish off, you just want to smooth, and that's it. All done. So I hope that's helped. By the way, I use that technique all the time, because massaging your skin, looking after your skin is so important. So good luck with that. Let me know how it goes, and more videos coming soon. Take care. Bye.